Berry Sparkle Punch, a refreshing mocktail for all ages. Berry Sparkle Punch is a vibrant, non-alcoholic drink perfect for any gathering, offering a sweet and tart flavor profile that appeals to both kids and adults. This mocktail combines the delightful tastes of mixed berries and cranberry juice with the fizz of soda, making it an eye-catching centerpiece at events. Berry Sparkle Punch is not only tasty, but also offers nutritional benefits, being rich in antioxidants and vitamins from its fresh berry and cranberry juice content. To make this punch, you'll need mixed berries, berry-flavored soda or seltzer water, cranberry juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and sugar or honey. Optional ingredients include fresh mint leaves for garnish, lemon slices, and ice cubes to keep the drink chilled. Begin by washing and preparing the berries. If using strawberries, hull and slice them. In a large pitcher, mix the cranberry and lemon juices with sugar or honey until fully dissolved. Add the berries to the pitcher and gently muddle them to release their juices and enhance the flavor of the punch. Pour the berry-flavored soda into the pitcher and stir gently to mix all the ingredients. Serve the punch over ice and garnish with fresh mint leaves and lemon slices for an added touch of elegance. This recipe can be easily adjusted with metric measurements for those who prefer using grams and milliliters. For an exceptional berry sparkle punch, select high-quality ripe berries to maximize the flavor and visual appeal of your mocktail. Enhance your punch by adding creative garnishes like mint leaves, lemon slices, berry skewers, or even edible flowers. Experiment with different berries, juices, and sweeteners to customize the punch to your taste preferences or dietary needs. Berry Sparkle Punch is ideal for family gatherings, birthday parties, picnics, and even holiday celebrations, adaptable to any festive occasion. Consider serving this punch in unique ways, such as in mason jars with lids at outdoor events to prevent spills and keep insects out. Celebrate with Berry Sparkle Punch, a refreshingly festive drink that's easy to make and sure to delight guests with its delicious taste and striking presentation.